Welcome. Let's understand interlocking for switching devices, that is circuit breaker, isolator or disconnector, and a switch. For bus sectionalizer as circuit breaker bay for single busbar arrangement. Next. In this video, we will discuss interlocking conditions for bus sectionalizer with single busbar arrangement. Let's understand nomenclature used here. BB1 is busbar 1, BB2 is busbar 2, Q0 is circuit breaker, Q1 is busbar 1 disconnector, Q10 is busbar 2 disconnector, Q51 is busbar 1 disconnector or switch, Q54 is busbar 2 disconnector or switch. Next. Here, let's understand interlocking requirements between circuit breaker, disconnector and earth switch for bus sectionalizer bay. We will understand interlocking for busbar disconnector, circuit breaker, earth switch on both sides of the circuit breaker. Here, Q1 is switchable if conditions 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 are fulfilled. That is, circuit breaker is open, then busbar 1 disconnector hand crank is not inserted and end position interlocking is not activated. Then earth switch Q51 is open, then busbar 2 earthing switch is also open. Then earthing switch of busbar 1 is open. Next. Here Q51 is switchable if conditions 2, 3 and 4 are fulfilled. That is, busbar 1 disconnector is open, then earth switch Q51 hand crank is not inserted and end position interlocking is not activated. Or Q51 is switchable if conditions 4 is fulfilled. That is, busbar 2 disconnector is open. Next. Here Q10 is switchable if conditions 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7 are fulfilled. That is, circuit breaker is open, then busbar 1 or switch is open, then busbar 2 disconnector hand crank not inserted and end position interlock is not activated. Then busbar 2 or switch is open, and here Q54 is switchable if conditions 2, 4 and 5 are fulfilled. That is, busbar 1 and busbar 2 disconnector are open, while Q54 or switch hand crank is not inserted and end position interlock is not activated. Next. Here Q0 is switchable if conditions 2 and 4 are fulfilled. That is, busbar 1 and 2 side disconnector is in closed position, while circuit breaker side or switch is in open position, and both busbar disconnector are not in intermediate position. Next. Here is the summary of interlocking conditions between circuit breaker, disconnector and earth switch for bus sectionalizer with single busbar arrangement. As discussed earlier, it is mandatory switchable equipment interlocking conditions and must meet condition from 1 to 7. Other interlocking requirements can be complied as per client practice and local standard requirements. Next. To know more about air insulated substation and gas insulated substation, you may enroll to this course. One is all-in-one course on electrical substation design and engineering, and other course is all-in-one course on gas insulated substation or switchgear GIS installation. Dear avid learner, thank you so much for your patience and time. Stay tuned. We will discuss more technical stuff in upcoming videos.